In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add File Upload button to Shopify product page. This is a useful feature when you want customers to upload something specific for a product. For example, they might upload a design file, customization details, or any document related to their order. To do this, you will make a small change to your Shopify theme by using a custom liquid section. First, click Online Store. You will find this in your Shopify admin dashboard, usually on the left side menu. When you open Online Store, it takes you to the part of Shopify where you manage your storefront theme and the layout customers see. This is the correct starting point, because the File Upload button will be added through your theme settings. Next, click Edit Theme. After you click this, you will see options for customizing how your store looks and functions. Take a moment to notice which theme is currently active. This matters because you want the changes to apply to the theme your customers are viewing. Editing the theme is the step that lets you add new code safely within the theme editor. Now, under Template, click Add Section. You may see a drop-down or an area where sections can be managed. The idea here is that Shopify themes are built from sections, and each section can contain its own content or custom code. By adding a new section, you create a place where your file upload code can live on the product page without disrupting other parts of the design. After that, click Custom Liquid. This tells Shopify that you are going to insert custom code directly. Custom Liquid is the area where you can add your own HTML and often some form logic, so that the product page can display the upload button you need. When you select Custom Liquid, the editor typically opens an input area or adds a new section block that you can configure. Then, add your file upload code. This is the most important part. You should paste the upload code into the code box provided for the custom liquid section. Make sure you paste the correct snippet that is designed for Shopify product pages. Also, double-check that it does not include any sensitive data. If you are using a snippet from a previous project, ensure it only includes the code required for the upload button and the field behavior you want. While pasting, pay attention to formatting and quotes, because small mistakes can prevent the upload button from appearing correctly. Once your code is in place, click Save. Saving is what applies the changes to your theme. After you click Save, give Shopify a moment to update the theme editor. If you are working quickly, it can be tempting to move on immediately, but taking that brief pause helps you avoid missing any errors. Finally, after saving, you should review the product page to confirm the upload button appears where you expect. This review step is not listed as a separate instruction, but it is a practical part of the workflow. Go to the storefront and open a product page. Then look for the upload button in the section you added. If the button does not show, you may need to go back and confirm the code was pasted correctly and saved successfully. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.